Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we'll see how to deploy a NextJs application to Vercel. So let's get started. So here I have a NextJs template that is from CreativeTim. If you want this template, you can just visit this link, that is creativetim.com. I'll provide the link to this in the description and just hit on free download to download your zip. So I have this NextJs application running. So to deploy it to Vercel, I'll just go to my terminal. I'll just close this application and type in git init. Okay, so this initializes a git repository. Now I'll just go to my GitHub account and click on new to create a new repository. I'll name this NextJS demo and leave it to public and click on create repository. Now I'll just copy this command and go to my terminal and just paste it in there and hit enter. Now the repository is initialized and the origin is added. So I'll just type in git add dot. Then I'll type in git commit -m init and then hit enter. And now I'll just type in git push. Okay, so it asks us to specify the origin. So I'll type in origin master. Okay, so now the application is pushed to the GitHub repository. Now if I refresh this page, I'll see that the files are uploaded. Okay, perfect. Now we have to go to our Vercel account and click on new project. Now if you have logged in with your Git account, you can see all your projects here. Now you can see a NextJS demo application that was just created in my GitHub account. So it is reflected here. So I'll just click on import and select my personal account and just I'll hit on deploy. Now it will start the deployment. Okay, so now the deployment is complete. Now if we click on this visit button, we will be redirected to the page. So in this URL you can see it is deployed to Vercel. So if we go back to Vercel and click on open dashboard, so we can see that the deployment is complete, and if we click on the domains, we will be redirected to the page. Okay, so this was all about how to deploy a NextJS application to Vercel. Hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.